Here's a conversation. How to block people on LinkedIn and maybe even report them. And then what happens when you block them? Can they see you? Can you see them? Can they message you? Can you message them? Can you see the old messaging? And can you unblock? Let's talk about this for a few minutes and show you all the different aspects of blocking people on LinkedIn. So I got 2 messages this morning, almost back to back. The first one came from Ellie. Dedicated exploring business ventures, blah, blah, blah. Hello, Teddy. I saw your work, made me very curious. And then I get a message moments later, 4 minutes actually, from Elisa. Dedicated exploring business ventures, the same thing. Hello, Teddy. I saw your same thing. These are obviously 2 fake LinkedIn accounts, or they're LinkedIn accounts being used by people who are not really Ellie or Elisa. And I'm going to report them as fake accounts, and then I'm going to block them. But before I do, let me copy the LinkedIn profile URL. Give me a second here. Let me copy Ellie. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to drop it in the Ellie message. Where's Ellie? Here's Ellie. Saving your LinkedIn profile URL before I report you as a fake. They love it when I do that. And I'm going to do the same thing over here for Elise. Let me copy that, put that here, and I'm going to go get Elise. Where's Elise? Which one's Elise? This one here is Elise. Copy that, and I'm going to put this here. Now I'm going to send both of those, which will freak that person out because I just told them I'm going to report them and block them. All right? Now, here's the next step. The next step is I'm very clear I want to block them. By the way, she could respond back to me. The fact that I responded to her with anything, or that's this person, they can both respond back to me. They're open to do that until I do the next step. I'm going to go to this profile. This is the best place to block is from their LinkedIn profile. Bring up their profile, click more, click report and block. Now, I'm going to report content of the profile information, suspicious, spam, or fake, and I'm going to mark it right here as fake, and I'm going to hit submit. And then I'm going to block. Block Ellie, block. Now it worked. Don't know why it didn't work before. All right, let's go to the next, close that. Let's go to the next one. I'm going to block it. More, I'm going to report and block. Let me try that. Report, profile, fake, submit, and block. Boom. They're both going. Now, close that because I don't need that anymore. All right. I've reported those 2 profiles. I blocked those 2 profiles. Now, if I go look at my messaging, you'll see that right here, there's one of them right there, and I'm going to open this one, and there's the other one. These are the 2 LinkedIn members. This is Elisa, and this is Ellie, who I've already reported and blocked. Now, I can still see the messaging, but I cannot engage with them anymore. Anything I do now, it's actually a bug in the system. Sorry to see you go. It's going to lead me to believe it sent that message. It didn't send that message. If I close this down and I open this one back up, look, it didn't send that message. And furthermore, I can't see her profile. 404 error. If I click on the other one, 404 error. It doesn't exist. It does not let me see those profiles because I have blocked them. And I am not going to see any content where they engaged on. I'm not going to see their name in any list. I'm not going to see their name in any recommendations. I'm not going to see them in groups on the company page. I'm not going to see them anywhere because I have blocked them. I may see that the company they work for has 200 employees, but if I scroll through the employee list, it's only going to show 198 because I blocked 2 of those employees. Bottom line, when you block a LinkedIn member, you can never see their LinkedIn profile again. You can never message them. They can't see your LinkedIn profile. They can't message you until you unblock them. By the way, one of the other tasks that I do is once I block a LinkedIn member, I select them here and then I delete. And in this case, I want to archive. I archive them so that I won't see them anymore unless I go look for them. The last thing to show you is that once I block someone, I can unblock them. So I'm going to show you how you unblock them. Go to Me, go to Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, go to Visibility. In Visibility, look for blocking. And then in blocking, I can do a search because they're not going to be in order. I don't know why they're not in chronological order. But if I look for Elisa, E-L-I-S-A, there's Elisa, Caroline. I blocked her 23 minutes ago. And if I look for Ellie, there's Ellie Caroline. I blocked her 24 minutes ago. I can unblock them right there. Point of interest, if you unblock somebody, it seems to me that you can't re-block them for some amount of time. I think it's 24 hours. I ran into that block, unblock, and then trying to block again in some of my other testing. So if you're going to block them, just block them. Don't go back and look at them again. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.